Okay?
Today I want to show you how to open the oyster.
We're going to try and show you how to open oysters.
Okay.
Okay? In French, les huîtres.
In French, it's huître.
Huîtres.
Huître.
Yeah. So these are called sous vide. That means
Sous vide is
under wraps, kept. First, normally you have to eat oysters immediately, but these, they've been... Now, the trick is, of course, to protect yourself. Otherwise, you end up with injuries. These are quite small, and you have to find somewhere for the... It's called... It's there we are. There it is. It's finding that, and then you insert the knife and lift the shell at the same time, because that is salt water and we don't want too much shell in there. So, one.
like the easy way to open an oyster.
And that's what we don't want, the bits of shell, because they're not nice to eat.
Okay.
The gloves have been washed, by the way.
Not easy.
No, if you don't find that exact spot, then we don't need that. No, we don't need that little bit. So, that you don't need. This is how a husband proves he loves his wife.
I see. Then thank you. And I thank you. I know how to do that.
Oh, you don't.
Just take a hammer.
A hammer, that won't work at all.
Not easy to open. No.
No, except the oyster masters, the real oyster masters, they know how to do it. So this one is being a little bit difficult. I can't find the entry point. There it is. If you find it, it's quite easy.
Okay.
And the bits you don't need, you can clean up with a...
It's okay, I do it.
Now, let's see if we can be a little bit cleverer this time and find it.
Over there.
Yeah, it's in the side here somewhere. There. and the oyster has to let go.
Wow, it's yummy.
I'll leave you to dig that bit out.
It's okay, I do it like
Yeah.
that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Still 9. Not really big like the...
No, not like the ones we had before from Languedoc. So somehow you have to find in here the entry point.
Oh, you need to find the entry point. The entrance. Like the entrance, how you open the door. Right. Oh, see, sometimes you find that easy.
You find it easily.
Yeah.
Otherwise...
Oh, wow. It's yummy.
If you like oysters, it's yummy.
If you really like oyster,
like oysters, it's
if you don't want to eat a fresh oyster,
that's
okay.
one.
Oh, that's the easy one. Oh my God. Oh, this really yums. It's broken.
No, it's all right.
Okay.
You'll just have to make sure you clean out little bits like
I
that.
do it.
Yeah. No,
Yeah, it's okay. I do it later.
That's shell.
No, it's not shell.
It's not shell.
Still 2, 4, 6. Still 6. That's how you love.
Exhausting.
That's how you love me so.
Yeah, that is the proof of love.
The proof of
The
love.
proof of love is not in the pudding. The proof of love is in the oyster.
The proof of love is when you and your husband opening your food. See, cooking your food. Wow! Oh my God! That's so nice.
We're getting there.
Still 5. More. Oh yeah, it's not easy job.
See, sometimes they don't
Like the people lazy like me. So better I buy the ready-made.
You can't buy ready-made, can you?
Really?
No. Sometimes you can, in the market, the Christmas market in Tuia, they will open them for you. And of course, if you go to the place where they farm them, then you sit down, you buy a dozen oysters, and come on.
What do you call this? One day we go to...
Like that.
No, it's not in like that. In the one that place there. I saw before they eating.
Come on. I'm knocking at the door.
Just.
This one doesn't want to work. Get me the drill.
Easy. Yeah, it's easy, the drill, right? Just that's how not easy to... So how they open it? So how they eating something like that?
Oh,
The oyster.
well, they have a muscle inside,
Yeah, how
which they can open.
Because I think when they eat something, they opening. Right.
Yeah, there's filter feeders.
Yeah.
So okay. Oh, still that many to go.
2, 4. So I eat for dinner. You think? Or it's okay enough.
Yes.
I eat for dinner, yeah. I eat for dinner this.
Okay, we have to put them back into the fridge quickly.
Yeah. So that's it.
Oh,
This is my lunch. And then I squeeze.
you make sure you clean them out. Get them,
It's
otherwise
okay.
you'll have two
I
problems.
squeeze lemon. Every pieces. lemon. You don't need to put a soil. Soil. Don't need to put a salt.
No, it's salt water in there.
The salt already is there, so that's